This is a review of the Ornarto iPhone 15 Pro case that I would highly recommend. What I love about the Ornarto iPhone case is that it comes with different types of colors, so you could choose to have different colors if you would like. I opted with red because it looks really amazing. I love the color red, and it's like a hot red type of appearance color. It looks really good in the sunlight. What I love about it is that it's really super soft and it protects your iPhone 2 from the backside of it from getting damaged, and it's pretty durable, the iPhone cover. And what I love about it is that it comes with these cute stickers that you can see on the side. And not just that, is that this iPhone cover, it actually is made of real silicone, so it feels very super soft to the touch. I love how it feels. It feels very different compared to other iPhone covers that I had in the past. And what I like, you can see it comes with the box that you can see here, and then it comes with the iPhone cover, and it comes with these, like I mentioned, these cute stickers that you can see here. And I overall, I would highly recommend this iPhone 15 Pro case from Ornarto because of how it makes your phone look very different and unique, and it feels super soft to the touch. I love how the silicone feels like. If you are looking for a upgraded improvised cover for your iPhone 15 Pro, then this is probably one of the best ones because it does change the appearance to your iPhone. I love the color red that it has, and it protects your iPhone. It's really durable. The cover is really durable, and like I said, it's real silicone, so it really is super soft to the touch. It feels very nice whenever I hold it, and I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a brand new iPhone cover case. Then Ornardo is probably one of the best ones.